Hello and welcome to Veggie Patch Ideas. Today it's all about the strawberries, and if you've failed with strawberries before or they're a little bit lackluster, here's one. It will work, it's guaranteed to work, and it involves a hanging basket or a pot, and you just put it in your conservatory, your polytunnel or your greenhouse at this time of year. Let the magic happen and I guarantee you will have the best tasting strawberries you have ever had. So let's go outside and dig up some of the strawberry plants that I put in my bed last year, and let's go and do that now. So here we go, we've got our strawberries freshly dug up, and in this case, in the polytunnel, I hang them on this bar across the top and it works wonders. I already have prepped a hanging basket full of multi-purpose compost, nice and simple, and I like to keep everything simple, but there are a few tricks. I've added into here as well a layer of bloodfish and bone. So bloodfish and bone is a slow release fertilizer, and that will help feed these tomato plants and get them through. But we don't want to put them in as they're untidy, they've got the brown leaves on. We want to trim them down first. So let's go ahead and do that now. You can be ruthless with this. Any runners, cut off, dead bits, cut away. And what I do for a hanging basket that's around 12 inches, I'll put 3 decent sized strawberries in there. And they will fill out. Oh, that's a tiny one, but let's go ahead and give it a chance, eh? Right, they're all trimmed up nicely. Like I said, bloodfish and bone, it is very, very important with this strawberry method, by the way. It's just the best way of having them produce. So there's one in, nice and easy. There's 2 in. And there's 3. If you've done this already and you've got some going in your polytunnel, you haven't put bloodfish and bone in, you can sprinkle it over the top and water it down. That will help as well. Now, with this basket, if your polytunnel or greenhouse gets very, very warm, and we're only in February, at the very end of February, you may want to put a layer of grit over the top, and that's what I'll do with this one a little bit later on. And it will just keep that moisture in. So when you water it, keeps the moisture in, keeps the water in, and it's just less in time of watering it. And if your site is away from home and you can't get to it every day, then a layer of grit will go a long way and it'll stop your plants drying out. So I'll grit this later on, I'll give it a water, and we'll pop it up on display. And that'll go beautifully. It'll mature. The new shoots will come out in about 2 weeks time, and then it will just give us so many strawberries. You won't believe how many strawberries you'll get off something small like that. Far more than what you'll get outside in the garden. So give it a go, and we wish you the best of luck with your strawberries. And guys, if you want help all the way through the season, I'm here for you. Just hit subscribe and you'll see every video as they come out. For me now, that's it, and we'll catch you next time.